MAPOG analysis of noise pollution in urban landscapes provides insights into the ever-evolving symphony of sounds shaping our lives, navigating the dynamic urban landscape with the latest data. This map provides insightful details using MAPOG, guiding users through the process of a detailed noise pollution analysis output map, aiming to visualize areas with high noise pollution levels. Noise pollution analysis provides insights into the noise pollution distribution, intensity, and temporal variation. This information helps urban planners, health departments to implement strategies, optimize location, and inform decision for a quieter and more sustainable future. After that, come to the map analysis interface and click on the add upload button and click on upload Excel and CSV file. Then browse the data that we have recently downloaded. Click on the upload button. Then select the latitude and longitude and click on the publish button, and your data will be published. Click on the action button and rename the data for better understanding and click on save. Then save the project, give the proper project name and description and save the map, and your map will be saved. Then come to the data style option and click on heat map style option. In the edit layer, click on the layer to be published, and in the weight attribute, select the mean volume dBA and select a suitable color gradient for the analysis and select the radius. Here I have selected the radius as 10 and save the style. Here you can see the map has been displaying in the map canvas. In the legend option, you can see the proper distribution of noise data. The map canvas, you can visualize the places with tremendous amount of noise pollution, especially many major cities caught in the clutches of the noise pollution. By clicking the action button and show database button, you can visualize the data table, or by clicking a particular noise hotspot, you can visualize all the information about the hotspot, like the time zone, the mean volume, the dates, etc. With our map now enriched with details, let's make those final adjustments. This noise pollution map is a valuable asset for precision planning, environmental conservation, infrastructure optimization, regulatory compliance, and beyond. Thank you for watching the comprehensive tutorial. For more information and queries, contact us at support@mapog.com.